Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are good. So today's video is about a magical oil. I'm gonna show you a very magical and very easy oil. You can make it at home, and if you have the very severe hair fall problem, you can see the result after first application. So you apply this oil on your scalp, massage your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes and leave it for 2 hours. Then wash with a mild shampoo and conditioner. So how to make this oil? Let's get started the video. First you need three types of oil. That one is the castor oil, second is a coconut oil, and the third is olive oil you need. So these three oil you need for your magical oil. And next, fourth ingredient you need is this kalwanji or a black seed, and then you need sesame seed or the white til, these ones. So quantity you need 2 teaspoon of this kalwanji and 2 teaspoon of these sesame seed, white til. You can make the powder of these two, like 2 tablespoon of powder kalwanji seed and 2 tablespoon of powder sesame seed and white til. Then you need a half cup of castor oil, half cup of olive oil, and the half cup of coconut oil. Then you mix all these and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on the medium heat. Then you strain in a bottle and you keep this oil in a bottle, and then you apply once in a week, and you see the difference of your hair fall situation. So you see by first application magical result. So in the next video I'm gonna show you how to make this step by step. So let's jump in that. So take a pan in which you need to make the oil. Turn on the stove of the medium. I'm taking the half cup of this castor oil. This is from the fresh skin cold pressed castor oil. I'm going to add this in a pan. Next I'm going to take a half a cup of olive oil. This is a normal olive oil. This in the same pan. Next I'm going to add the coconut oil, half a cup going to coconut oil. Half a cup. When it melts in it, I'm going to add the next ingredient. Next I'm going to add these two powder. This is kalwanji powder and this is sesame seed powder. These all same in a quantity, like 2 tablespoons of kalwanji and 2 tablespoons of sesame seed. So I'm going to add these in here and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on the medium to low flame. So after 3 to 4 minutes it starts a little bit boiling. So this is the stage you need to turn off the stove and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes on the room temperature. So after 10 minutes you pour in airtight bottle and keep it and use once in a week. Don't need to stain it. Just put in the bottle and keep it like this.